Welcome back to Demystifying Agriculture. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the intersection of regenerative agriculture and biosecurity, a fusion of practices aimed at not only revitalizing the land, but also safeguarding its health. In this episode, we'll explore how regenerative agriculture principles can work hand in hand with biosecurity measures to create resilient and thriving agricultural systems. Regenerative agriculture is more than just sustainable farming. It's about actively restoring the health of our soils, fostering biodiversity, managing water resources wisely, and regenerating ecosystems. These principles serve as the foundation for a holistic approach to farming. One of the key practices in regenerative agriculture is building soil health. Farmers use techniques like cover cropping, composting, and no-till farming to enhance soil structure, fertility, and microbial activity. Healthy soils sequester carbon, improve water retention, and support plant growth. Biodiversity is another hallmark of regenerative agriculture. Instead of monocropping, regenerative farmers plant a diverse array of crops and incorporate trees, shrubs, and hedgerows into their landscapes. This promotes natural pest control, pollination, and soil health. Water management is also a critical component of regenerative agriculture. Farmers implement strategies like building swales, ponds, and contour planting to capture and retain water on their land. This helps prevent erosion, replenish aquifers, and buffer against droughts and floods. Regenerative agriculture has the potential to be a powerful tool in the fight against climate change. By sequestering carbon in our soils and restoring ecosystems, we can help mitigate the impacts of climate change and build resilience in our food systems. Now, let's explore how these regenerative practices intertwine with biosecurity measures to protect farms from disease outbreaks and ensure the health and productivity of agricultural systems. Biosecurity encompasses a range of measures aimed at preventing the introduction and spread of pests and diseases on farms. These measures include quarantine, sanitation, hygiene, and monitoring. Quarantine serves as the first line of defense against disease outbreaks. New animals, plants, or equipment should be isolated and monitored for signs of illness before being introduced to the farm. Sanitation and hygiene play a crucial role in preventing the spread of pathogens. Farmers should regularly clean and disinfect equipment, vehicles, and facilities to minimize the risk of contamination. Monitoring is essential for early detection of diseases. Farmers should closely observe animals and crops for signs of illness, such as changes in behavior, appearance, or yield. Vaccination and disease testing are crucial tools in disease management. By vaccinating animals and testing for diseases regularly, farmers can prevent outbreaks and minimize the spread of pathogens. Other biosecurity measures include restricting farm visitors, controlling pests and vectors, and implementing strict biosecurity protocols for workers and contractors. In conclusion, by integrating regenerative agriculture principles with robust biosecurity measures, farmers can cultivate not only healthy and sustainable food systems, but also resilient ecosystems that thrive in the face of challenges. Together, we can nourish the land, protect its inhabitants, and secure a prosperous future for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the synergy between regenerative agriculture and biosecurity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of agriculture. Until next time, happy farming. Demystifying Agriculture, signing off.